Started with Basekpal, where she styled me. Her clothes are extremely wearable, stylish, and very today's woman style statement. So you know, they can never go really wrong.
I think the thing with Anita's clothes, all of them, is that she celebrates femininity. We essentially got together on our idea of what a woman should be, somebody who's multi-talented, wears different hats, and that's how we became friends.
The thing about Anita, she does traditional and classic looks. She does, like, you know, everything.
She has this beautiful desire to reinvent our roots and to celebrate where we come from, and at the same time make it so sensuous and beautiful for today's woman also.
Expectations from Anita is always high. That's because I know her. So I always like to see if she's making something interesting, especially for men. She's doing some great stuff for men. I've worn some of that. I'm wearing something of hers tonight.
I remember the last show. It was very, very pretty. It had all these pastel colors, lovely lehengas, but all in whites and pinks and very pastel shades. So I'm expecting something very colorful and vibrant and yet beautiful, just like I think Anita would make it. Vibrant. I really like the idea of having live music. I love the colors, I love the work, I love the motifs that Anita always has on her clothes, and all in all, I love the show.
The Jaipur bride is my kind of woman. She's assertive, she's independent, and she's not coy at all. And I think that was reflected in all the clothes.
What I really loved about the show was the colors. They were stunning, and my favorites were the jackets. They were, I mean, you know, they were really pretty with the pretty embroideries, and you know, the backs, her backs are beautiful.
The first blue outfit was amazing. So yeah, lots of really nice things. So yeah, I had a great time.
The entire craft in this, the common thread in this entire show was Gojapati embroidery. It's a beautiful, beautiful craft that originates from Rajasthan. It's extremely beautiful, looks lovely, and does not weigh you down. So you can have a very beautiful Gojapati lehenga and it doesn't weigh 10 kilos. It's extremely comfortable. So as a bride, you could wear a Gojapati lehenga and well, you can be on your feet and dance all night at your own wedding.